Hey, welcome to episode number 2 in the Ninja Chef. Today we're going to make some beef jerky. We're going to use filet mignon. I had it sitting in the freezer. We're going to try it out. Me and you are about to find out how good this is together. Never tried filet mignon before, but I've used sirloin, I've used flank, I've used all different kinds of meat, top, round, you name it. They all have different textures, taste, about the same. Filet mignon might be a little bit different, we'll find out. It's a little bit fattier, but I had to trim some of that off. And if you haven't yet bought the dehydrator racks, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that come together. It's gonna fall apart if I do it like this, but they basically pop in. So you can get this from the Ninja Foodi site. It's a lot. If you're gonna make a pound or two of jerky, you need one of these. Just goes right into it, and we're ready to go. So we're gonna do this and find out just how good filet mignon is for beef jerky. Coming up right now. I already added the meat to the bag. Now, proportions, I'm not gonna go over too much because it depends on how much meat. I'm just doing a little bit for like a day or two. It's not even a pound of meat there. So, I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke, but I'll come back to that. Let's start out with soy sauce. Some Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of honey. Now, here's the secret ingredient. Jacobson garlic salt. So a pinch. Maybe a little more than a pinch. Let's go with 2 pinches. I use a little bit of pure sesame oil. Just a little bit. Here comes the liquid smoke. About a teaspoon with some actual garlic. Mix all that up. Stir that up. It's gonna go right into the bag. I swear I'm guaranteed to spill some all over the place. Let's see how that works out. Gonna seal the bag. Any Ziploc will do. Try not to drop it, it does make a mess. And you can see, it's not a crazy amount. It's enough to keep it saturated. You go a little bit more, a little bit less, it's really not gonna make that much of a difference. Now you could put this in there, you could put this in the fridge for anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours. That's all you need to do. So we're gonna stick this in the fridge, probably a couple hours at least, and I'll be right back and we're gonna put it into the Ninja. Took this, blotted it dry, put on some napkins, and now what we're gonna do is put them into the dehydrator racks. I'm gonna start put the second one up. No real reason, I'm just gonna lay it out that way. So what you wanna do is just spread them out. Now these are little, let's just say not as long and skinny as most people like. Depends on what you really like. Do you like a chewy one? Do you like a crisp one? You can play around with that. Cut it the way you want. Some people do 1/4-inch strips. Do a little bit thicker. I'm going to place it into the Ninja Foodi. Like so. Okay, let's turn this puppy on. What we're going to do is go to dehydrate. 150 is good. And let's set the time to 5 hours. Start, and we're good to go. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna start taking these off and putting it onto a plate for right now. So you want to, still pliable. Now this probably could have went in for a little bit longer. It's not that stiff, and that's a thicker piece. These, you can see these are more brittle. They're still pliable. Now, some people like these even dried out even more than this. I like it like this. It's just still a little more juicy, but it comes out perfect. Again, this is Filet Mignon, and okay, 5 hours are up. It's a little bit after 1 a.m. I stayed up late just for you. Actually for me too. I wanted to try these real fast. Came out probably good. Let's do a little taste test and find out for sure. Pretty close to perfection. Now this is my first time with Filet Mignon. They come out really good. The strips aren't as big as I normally like. And some pieces I had to pull out a little bit earlier. But 5 hours, just about the right time in the Ninja Foodi. Again, thank you for stopping by. This is episode 2. I'm gonna keep pumping out these Ninja Foodi episodes. Next episode coming up next week. So hit the subscribe button, the like button, and hope to see you again. Meantime, I'm gonna eat me some Ninja Foodi Jerky. Until next time.